feeding your curiosity, fueling our passion. Let's satisfy our quest for knowledge with today's question.
Building codes for 100 amp service wire installation require using the appropriate size and type of wire to safely conduct electricity within the amperage limit. Typically, for a 100 amp service, you'll need to use at least 3 Aruban fluorines copper or 1 Aruban fluorine aluminum conductors. Everything must comply with the National Electrical Code, NEC, including trench depth for buried cables, usually 24 inches, conduit material, and protection against physical damage. Local codes might amend these requirements, so it's crucial to check with local building authorities for specific regulations in your area.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.